Hi, what drink is that?
This is Miami Cola.
Miami Cola? Did you go all the way to Miami to get this? Did you get that COVID-19 down there?
No, I didn't. I didn't go all the way down there into that cesspool. I went to the gas station.
You went to the gas station?
Yeah, that's right. I went to the gas station. Got this Miami Cola.
What's in the Miami Cola?
Well, there's everything in the Miami Cola. There's super creatinine. There's ultra KQ10. No cavities and everything. This is really good stuff. No calories, and this is good stuff.
Miami Cola? Can you make some music out of this?
I sure can. This is the Miami Sound Machine. That's what I call a true Miami Cola. A taste of Miami in the safety of your own home.